Hey, Brian from Grashville Hall. Tonight I'm kind of excited. This is a Mercedes-Benz Antos fire truck, and it actually squirts water. My grandson is absolutely going to love this. So I wanted to open this on camera here before I actually introduce it to him, because he will want to tear into it right away. So anyway, that is your user manual. And then let's open this up out of its box. So it looks like it has two user manuals. So very cool. Alright, so that is that. This thing is pretty awesome looking. So let me just get all these little pieces out. So that is your remote control, and it looks like I'm going to need a little bit of a razor blade to cut some of these sections open. So very cool. Make this back section here. I guess this is all kind of stuck together in here. Go. So very well packed, to say the least. Get some of these other little pieces off, and I think, oh, we got some. So let me give you a view of the undercarriage. So it looks like it has these little screw pieces underneath to kind of hold it in place. So we'll unlock that. Okay, so quite a bit of twists to get this undone from that. So we'll take these little screw pieces out. Box out of the way. So that is your fire truck. So that is pretty awesome. And I wanted to get a really good look at everything under here. So pretty neat. It has a little alignment lever under here, so you can make sure that if it's not running completely straight, because I mean, you're going to roughhouse with this for a little bit, so sometimes you run into things. So it's awesome that you can readjust the alignment just like on a real car. Actually, I wish real cars were as simple as pushing this little lever. Oh, let me zoom down a little bit better so we can kind of see everything a little bit clearer. So I'm opening the battery compartment just to kind of see what batteries this all needs, so I can be prepared for when we get it towards my grandson. Okay, so that is your little remote part of the battery, and I think I may have yep. So in the bottom of the box is the battery. So this is your battery pack. Let's open that up. So it's your battery and your battery charger, which is powered by a USB plug. So let's get that plugged in and charging. And you can use anything that has like a USB style plug, like the outlets that are coming out nowadays have kind of like a USB port. You can use an old cell phone charger, or you can use your laptop, your desktop, whatever, to get this little battery charged. It comes up red while it's charging. My delusion is either the red's going to go out or it's going to turn green. So anyway, that's where that battery pack goes. Let's put this kind of like back down until that is fully charged. I just wanted to see that port really quick. And I love how it has a little screw down, so this will help keep the little ones out of that little compartment. And then over here is your adjustable ladder. So, and that's your fire hose that will come out and squirt. So it looks like this kind of sits on top there, kind of like clicks in, get you a little bit better camera view. So that's where this clicks in. So pretty neat. And then here is your water reservoir. under here, so where you add water. And it looks like this is going to be the capacity, so basically fill this up, and then you're putting this over here and you're filling your truck up. So looks like it could be a little messy, so keep that in mind, but very cool. I can't wait to get this going. This is like so cool. Okay, so here is the remote, and we're going to open this up and see what batteries this takes as well. And it needs a Phillips head screwdriver to open up the compartment. And again, it's a good little feature on here to keep the batteries nice and contained. And there we go. I'll just get that last little part out. So that opens up. So it takes 2 AA batteries. I think I have some over here. Yep. So I like using the Amazon batteries. I think they work great. I'll just cut this little pack out. Get the little plastic wrap off the batteries. And we are almost ready to get this to my grandson and then show you how much fun this actually is. Okay, so put a battery in there. Put a battery in on that side. Now let's close this compartment up so that is nice and ready to go. And then a little tightening down with the screwdriver. Get it the right way, I think, would be super helpful. Okay. Okay, there we go. So that is nice and secure. And it has its little on-off switch on there too. So let's get this to him. And look, I mean, I love how that one actually swivels out. Very cool. Can't wait to start having the water flow on this. See how that works. Anyway, you get your user manual. Has all the instructions on here. Basically so it goes forward, backwards, turns left, turns right, and then you hit, I guess, these 2 buttons, and that will activate the water action on there. So very, very cool. And then again, that raises up. That's like, okay. Anyway, let's get this down to him and we'll check it out. So stay tuned. Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Today we have a Mercedes-Benz Action Fire truck. And I had already opened this up before. So let's just tear right into it. I know, pretty exciting. So this is the fire truck. Let's get some of the accessories out. Then we'll set this up on here. Then this is the water. We'll put the water in here. So we're going to fill that up with some water. Okay. Then this is where we fill the water. Right there. So fill it. I'll just put this much in there. Pretty cool. Okay, put that lid on. Yeah. Oh, that's a screwdriver. Turn the remote on. What do you think? Whoa. That turns it left or right. Here, watch this. Let me show you. This goes backwards. Oh, turn it off. Okay. Here, watch this. Watch. Let me show you. Push these 2 buttons. Make a squirt. Turns the wheels. Now push this. Push this button. Oop. Go ahead. I know, just push forward. Now hit this button. Pretty cool. All right. Here, let go. Oop. Oh, it's out of order. Anyway, Brian and Aim for Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.